Hello, I'm David Beckham. Today, I want to share a part of my story that many might not know. The real reason I left England, my home country, and the aftermath of a moment that changed my life. It was the 1998 World Cup, a moment every footballer dreams of. But for me, it turned into a nightmare. The red card against Argentina. It was more than just a dismissal from a crucial match. It marked the beginning of the most challenging period of my life. The backlash was immediate and intense. I was vilified by the press, criticized by fans, and even received threats. It was a time of immense pressure, and I felt like the whole nation turned against me. The love I had for the game was being tested. I questioned everything. My role at Manchester United, my place in the England team, even my future in football. Then came the offer from Real Madrid. It wasn't just a transfer, it was a lifeline.
Parte Beckham con il destro! Se le batte bene, anche se mi sembra ancora una volta Mora non ci sia arrivato come il primo tempo, ma l'ha calciata veramente molto bene. D'altronde lui è uno specialista in questo.
Beckham's free kick. And David Beckham scores to pull the Galaxy back level in Montreal.
Fielder, Roberto Carlos para la carrera de Beckham, puede controlar al inglés, vaya control de David Beckham, ha marcado el Real Madrid, el control de David Beckham, golazo del Real Madrid, llega al 0-2. Vaya balón de Roberto Carlos.
Jimenez, it was checked by Smith. Beckham, room to shoot. David Beckham, oh goodness me!
Parte Beckham con il destro!
Spain offered a fresh start, away from the intense scrutiny in England. It was a chance to rediscover my love for the game. My time in Madrid and later in Los Angeles was transformative. I grew not just as a player, but as a person. I learned to cope with pressure, to use criticism as motivation, and most importantly, I learned forgiveness, both towards others and myself. Eventually, I returned to England, not as a player, but as an ambassador, for the London Olympics, for UNICEF, for youth football. I came back with a new perspective, one of understanding and resilience. Leaving England was not just a move in my career, it was a journey of self-discovery. It taught me that sometimes, the hardest challenges lead to the greatest growth. Thank you for letting me share my story. Remember, it's not the challenges that define us, but how we overcome them. If you've enjoyed this journey through my past and found inspiration in my story, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay strong, keep striving, and I'll see you in the next video.